When purchasing such equipment, it is essential to consider not only the upfront price, but also long-term costs, including maintenance, energy consumption, and spare parts availability. Some manufacturers offer complete solutions that include installation, training, and after-sales service. Additionally, technological advancements play a crucial role in determining the final price. Modern rapeseed oil extraction equipment often incorporates automation, digital controls, and eco-friendly designs, enhancing productivity while minimizing environmental impact. Buyers should assess their specific needs whether they prioritize high yield, low residue. Lastly, researching different suppliers and comparing quotes is advisable. While cheaper options may seem attractive, investing in reputable brands with proven track records ensures reliable performance and longevity. Overall,